Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important companies, that is Scindia Shipping, their rise and fall. We talk about 5th April every year, and we talk about National Maritime Day, and we all know that this National Maritime Day happened because one of the shipping companies made by Indians, they got one ship and they made sure that it traveled all the way to UK carrying passengers on that same day. And it was a journey where of freedom, where we Indians को थे कि हमारा भी अपना ही जहाज हो सकता है जो कि वहाँ जा रहा है, हमारे देश का अपना जहाज. So it was a sense of pride for every Indian, and that is why 5th April is celebrated as National Maritime Day. So it is my salute to the founders, that is Mr. Narottam Morarji and Walchand Hirachand, who started Scindia Steam Navigation Company in 1919. It was the second oldest shipping company of India. The first one was Swadeshi Steam Navigation Company Limited. So, on 19 December 1914, RMS Empress of India was reported sold to Scindia of Gwalior. So, it was sold to Scindia of Gwalior, also known as Maharaja of Gwalior. तो पहले उनके पास शिप आया था. First, this ship came to Maharaja of Gwalior. From Maharaja of Gwalior, the ship in March 1919 was bought by Narottam Morarji and Walchand Hirachand for their company called Scindia Steam Navigation. In March 1919, it was bought and renamed as SS Loyalty. On 5th April 1919, navigation history was created when she journeyed, that is SS Loyalty, to the UK, a crucial step for India's shipping history, when sea routes were controlled by the Britishers. The Scindia flag has since then been a flag of national pride. Britishers tried their best with cutthroat competition, reducing their prices, ensuring that even to give them enticing offers to buy the company, then even putting limitations on the company that you cannot go above these many ships or about this much deadweight. Still, Narottam Morarji and Walchand Hirachand did not give up, because for them it was all about love for the nation and nation pride. In 1932, the company purchased Bengal Burma S.N. Company. The company also purchased Indian Cooperative Navigation and Trading Company. They were doing very good at that time. The company purchased shipyard in India in 1940, named Scindia Shipyard, today known as Hindustan Shipyard. So they were doing damn good. The good time of Scindia Shipping was in 1974 to 1975, when they recorded a massive profit in their history. So they were doing great. Till 80s, Scindia Shipping Company was one of the three biggest Indian shipping companies, along with SCI and India Steamship, till early 80s. These were the three major shipping companies known. But recession came, and with this recession came the downfall of Scindia Shipping. It started accumulating cash losses, and finally its management changed hands in 1987. Huge losses done in one financial year. In July 31, 1987, at least 6 ships have been arrested at foreign ports recently, after foreign creditors have moved courts to recover their money. So this was a state, पैसा नहीं दे पा रही है. Scindia Shipping Company, which started in 1919, it has been 1987. So they ran for around 70 years, I would say. But in those 7 decades, they had lost their charm. They were not being able to pay to their own employees. In 1987, some ships carrying defense cargo had to be rescued by government after paying off the creditors. The latest was the bulk carrier Jal Vijaya at Rostock City in East Germany in 1987. This is the condition. As Chief Executive S.I. Bijwadia told the annual general meeting, we have to heartlessly stop anything which makes cash losses. Of its more than 2,000 employees, the shore staff have not been paid for the last 3 months, and the officers and men for up to 6 months. So those people who are on ship, they were not paid for last 6 months. The National Union of Seafarers of India, NUSI, declared that the union would move to court for the rest of Scindia ships if wages were not paid immediately. Company faced many financial problems, and gradually all ships were sold. This was from India Today, published July 31, 1987. And that is how one recession, we lost the heart, the soul of our Indian shipping, that is Scindia Steam Navigation Company Limited. But once again, though today Scindia Steam Navigation Shipping Company does not exist, but their valor, the pride of Narottam Morarji and Walchand Hirachand will always stay with us as history. With this, all I can say is, let us all Indians give our best shot so that we get back to where we were a few hundreds of years back. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.